Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we give you the lowdown on the best products out there. Today, we're looking at the Makita XLC09R1B, a cordless vacuum that promises solid performance with a few standout features aimed at making cleaning just a little bit easier. Compact, efficient, and designed with user comfort in mind, this vacuum is engineered for both light-duty and heavy-duty jobs. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look at how it performs in real-world cleaning scenarios. The Makita XLC09R1B is a compact, brushless cordless vacuum that utilizes an 18-volt LXT lithium-ion battery. This vacuum is equipped with a brushless motor, a feature that's becoming increasingly common in premium models due to its efficiency and durability. The motor runs cooler and delivers up to 125 watts of suction power, which sounds promising for getting the job done quickly. A nice touch here is the 4-speed power selection: max, high, normal, and quiet mode. The push-button controls make switching between modes seamless, offering flexibility for different tasks. Quiet mode can run up to 23 minutes on a full charge with the 2.0 Ah battery, which should give you ample time to clean up those small messes without making a racket. In terms of usability, the XLC09R1B is designed to be compact and ergonomic, making it ideal for extended cleaning sessions. The bagless cloth filtration system is another feature worth noting. It allows for easy disposal of debris, so you don't have to worry about constantly replacing bags or dealing with messy cleanup. And with the inclusion of a 2.0 Ah LXT battery, the vacuum is lightweight, offering you both power and portability. But is it more than just its specs? When it comes to real-world use, this vacuum performs well across a variety of surfaces. On hard floors, it picks up dust, crumbs, and debris with ease. The suction power, though not the strongest out there, is more than adequate for quick cleanups. Carpets and rugs are handled decently, though you may need to boost the power for heavier dirt or pet hair. Pet owners will appreciate the fact that this vacuum doesn't struggle too much with shedding, though for thicker carpets, it might take a bit more effort. The attachments are functional, but let's talk about how this vacuum tackles stairs and upholstery. The compact design means it's easy to maneuver into tight spots. The attachments can be swapped quickly, making cleaning stairs and upholstery a breeze. However, cleaning under furniture might be slightly cumbersome if you're dealing with low-clearance furniture. It does a decent job under regular-sized furniture, but you might have to tilt the vacuum or use a different angle for deeper reaches. If you're someone who has long hair or pets, you'll be glad to know that the brush roll is less prone to tangling than others. But be aware, you'll still need to clean the brush roll from time to time, especially if you have long pet hair or human hair to contend with. This isn't a major drawback, but it's something to keep in mind if you're looking for something that needs minimal maintenance. When it comes to noise, the Makita XLC09R1B in quiet mode is a pleasant surprise. It's much less noisy than many other cordless vacuums out there, making it a great option for those living in apartments or homes with sensitive family members. The standard and high power modes are a bit louder, but not excessively so, especially when you factor in the power being delivered. One thing that's hard to ignore is the value for money. The XLC09R1B isn't the cheapest option on the market, but it does offer solid performance with a long-lasting motor and efficient filtration. It doesn't have the extreme suction power of a top-tier upright vacuum, but for light to medium cleaning tasks, it holds its own. You get decent runtime, especially in quieter modes, and it's certainly well-suited for homes with lighter messes, smaller areas, or people who need something easy to handle and store. Comparing it to similar vacuums in the same price range, the Makita XLC09R1B is competitive. In the same category, you'll find models like the Black & Decker Power Series Plus cordless vacuum, which offers a bit more suction power and similar runtime, but is a bit bulkier and doesn't feature the quiet mode. Another alternative might be the Dyson V7 Motorhead, which is pricier but offers more powerful suction across all modes and performs better on deep carpets, though it's a bit heavier. Build quality on the XLC09R1B feels sturdy, and it holds up well with regular use. The plastics used are solid, and the vacuum doesn't feel flimsy in the hands. The brush roll assembly dustbin, and attachments all feel well engineered. Cleaning the vacuum is straightforward. Removing and cleaning the filter is simple, and emptying the bin doesn't cause much mess. The battery life is reasonable for most cleaning tasks, but heavy use or running on max power might wear it down faster. Makita's reputation for durable, high-quality tools is reflected in this vacuum. While it might not be a top-of-the-line choice for those with deep carpets or pet-heavy homes, it offers excellent value for anyone looking for a compact, easy-to-use cordless vacuum for day-to-day messes. Maintenance is simple, and the bagless system means you won't be buying extra supplies like bags. The brushless motor should last a long time if you keep it clean and well-maintained. In terms of customer support, Makita generally has a strong reputation, though I haven't needed to contact them for this specific model. Based on their overall brand reliability, you can expect solid customer service and a reasonable warranty, which adds a layer of security for your purchase. When it comes to smart features, there's not much to mention. This vacuum is pretty straightforward and doesn't have any app integrations or complex features. It's more about basic performance with the added benefit of a brushless motor and quiet mode. If you're after high-tech bells and whistles, this might not be the vacuum for you, but for those who just want something effective and easy to use, it's a great choice. To wrap things up, the Makita XLC09R1B offers solid performance at a reasonable price point for anyone who values portability, quiet operation, and ease of use. It's not going to replace a high-power upright vacuum for deep cleans or large homes, but it's perfect for smaller spaces, apartments, or homes with light to moderate cleaning needs. If you value simplicity, compactness, and effective cleaning without breaking the bank, this vacuum could be the right fit for you. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on future reviews. Drop your thoughts in the comments below if you've already tried this vacuum or have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time here at Reviewsinside TV, where we're always cleaning up the messes that matter.